Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and cancel an order on Temu just because maybe you no longer need it, or maybe it's not going to come in time. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go into orders and accounts. And then what you're going to do is find the order that is currently being shipped to you. Next, what you want to do is that you want to click on track. Now, depending on the status of your order, you should see a cancel option here next to your order. If it hasn't been canceled or it's not eligible to be canceled, then it is going to be delivered to you, at which point you could actually just request a return or refund for your Temu order. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel an order on Temu. You would have to actually have it delivered to you, and then you have to return or get a refund for that order. Now, like I mentioned, because this order is already down the transit line, it does seem like it's not going to be able to be canceled. So that right there, guys, let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.